People rarely mention how tasty these sweets are, made in 5 minutes with only 3 ingredients. That's impressive. Stay until the end in Grandma's kitchen, the only kitchen that doesn't use ginger, and we'll explain how to make them at home. First ingredient, 2 sheets of puff pastry, like this one. We roll it out, and we also roll out the other one. We moisten the first one with water, use a little brush for that, and then we place the second one on top. There you go, we put the second one on. We spread it evenly, press lightly to stick together with the water's moisture, then cut. Look how easy it is. With a knife, we make slices of this size, just like the keys of a wonderful piano. And we place them on a sheet of parchment paper on an oven-safe tray. And this is super easy. If you want them to be thinner, then don't use 2 sheets of puff pastry. Just use 1. That'll work. It's fine. It'll turn out thinner and with more sugar, although I prefer it flakier and fluffier. You decide. Powdered sugar, a good amount, 100 grams, 125 even. Here we're going to add a lemon, and how are we going to do it? Well, by squeezing it, man. We squeeze the lemon to get all its juice out, which is what they call it in many countries. There it is. In Spain, they're yellow and sweet. In Mexico, I think they're green. And in your country, what are they like? Let me know in the comments. Stir. And after a little while, you'll have a white cream like this. Spread a teaspoonful in the center of each of the cookies that you're going to bake now, one after another, just like that. And this will only take you a few seconds. Preheat the oven to 80 degrees Celsius, which is 357 Fahrenheit, and bake for 5 minutes. And look at the result. Wow, amazing. And it took us hardly any time at all. And on top of that, they're cheap puff pastry keys, economical little pastries, full of flavor, super easy to make, and of course, really good. Who could ask for more? This recipe is amazing, and look at the inside. See how perfect those layers turn out. Wow, this one, I wouldn't miss it for anything. Go ahead and make them at home. You won't regret it. It's amazing. Bye. See you next video.
You're giving me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you get me feeling better, baby.